Sinisilip mo dyan. Magre-report ka na naman. Reporter ka ba? Wow. Mami ko ay nagsasaing na. Kakain na ang ating prinsesita. Gutom na daw. Grabe yun. Pero na-consult ako dito talaga. Hindi ko as in, mga taba makikitap pa.
Maganda yung sa akin, may mga tenants. Sabi tayo. Ako sa sinibang.
You don't remember me, right? Do you? You don't remember
We
me.
met in Patria.
Yeah.
2019.
Yeah. Yun
So
nga.
it's a husband of my older cousin.
How old are you now? 9. So when he was in Antique, what
It was
is
2019. Baby pa siya noon.
no baby, cute baby.
I wanna lean in for a kiss, I know it's worth it. I barely know you, baby, but I know it's time. You see the way the strobe lights are dancing. I look in your eyes and I feel like falling in love tonight. Falling in love tonight. And baby, I'm all for taking chances. Chances in the air. I feel like falling in love tonight. Falling in love tonight. And when the moon gets high, let's start with some kisses. Falling in love tonight. Whisper your name in the air. Falling in love tonight. Last night you're the one
I love you just the way God made you, girl. He don't make mistakes. What you call your imperfections, I call beautiful, babe. Tell him, blonde. The way your hair's in a mess in the morning when you open your eyes. The way an hour goes by when you say that you'll be ready in 5. The little dimple on the side of your smile when you're laughing at a movie that you've seen about.
Ayan. Ito yung mga group Dabarkads. Di ba? Kapitan. Group Dabarkads. Yan.
Tama naman, hindi na ako makahangos sa trabaho.
Ngayon, naniniwala na ako sa'yo. Hindi nga
Yan.
nervous kami.
Ito yung araw.
Maigi yung ano eh.
Ang puta, ilang puntang ko nang ginagamit yan eh.
Ay, binasama ng ganon.
Oo. Minsan nga eh, pinapaliguan ko pa yan eh.
Ito hindi, talaga kami na naman talaga. Pare, pinaliguan ko.
Ito yung chapsoy.
Oo naman.
Tama.
Nilagyan ko pa ng pantanggal na.
Ako, hindi ko siya pinasabaw, pinapaliguan ko lang.
Tapos, ano?
Ituloy mo na dyan sa labas.
Dagdagan natin. O, yun. Ang aming service. Yan.
Ala.
Ayan, may naglilitsyon pa. Galetsun. Matik. Ginagamitan ng map. What will you say, senyor?
Ha?
Ano sabihin mo?
Ano sabihin ko?
Magpa-cater na kayo.
Magpakiter na kayo, libre.
At, ay, saan no? Baka may makarinig. Mabook tayo masyado.
Libre magpakiter.
Kasama ka doon. Kasama ka doon.
Oo, kasama ka naman, no?
Ito yung...
Ano?
Napkin.
Meron ka pa naman dun.
Yeah.